Okay, so right here I have a bunch of different contracts. Each of these documents is one contract, and then inside each of these contracts there are vendors, and these vendors are broken down by city. And so what I'd like to do is be able to see in one sheet, to be able to manipulate the data where I can either see the contract and all the vendors associated, organized by city, and or look at a company or a vendor and see what contracts they hold out of these 27 contracts. So just kind of should give you an idea. So I'm not sure what the best way to organize it is, but as an example, I'll just pick a random one here. So this is the catheter supplies vendors list. So in this spreadsheet, I would have catheter supplies vendor list, and then you can see Airdrie is a city, Alex is a city, Banff, right? Like these are all cities, and what we want to do is have a list of not just the city but also the company. And so each contract, there can be multiple, or the same company can hold multiple contracts, and that's what I want the ability to see. So in this example, there's a bathing and toilet aids large contract, and I would want to be able to see, okay, who holds all of these contracts and what city are they in. But I'd also like to pick a company, example, if this is the company, and see all of the contracts that they hold. So however you want to organize this is fine, as long as I can see both those two views. The first view being to see the contract and which companies hold that contract. The second view is to see the company and which contracts they hold and what city they are located in. So however you got to set that up to make it easy to update and easy to view, the better. Again, I want these things broken down by city. So if you have any questions, please let me know. It should be a pretty straightforward task once, and I'm sure you know how to best set it up. This is just kind of what I was thinking, but if there are a lot of companies, right, this could be a very long spreadsheet. So is there an easier way to manipulate the data or format this thing to make it a little more user-friendly? So I hope this helps clarify what I'm looking for. If you have any questions whatsoever, please let me know. The first piece, so I'm hoping to have this done in the next 24 to 48 hours. Would be fantastic. Again, if you have any further questions, please let me know. Thanks.